Hi there and welcome everyone to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Izzadeen. In today's video, we're gonna be explaining what's an NFT and how to earn money with it. NFTs are simply put digital items, but unlike other digital items such as MP3s or ebooks, NFTs can be traded or sold between users. This has led to the rapid rise of the NFT market and a skyrocketing of their worth. NFTs have been around now for a few years and have been steadily gaining popularity in recent months. They are the latest trend in crypto assets and they are quickly becoming one of the hottest ways to make money. How is an NFT created? There are many ways and programs that will allow you to create an NFT. Here are the best websites to create and trade NFTs. Rarible, Binance NFT Marketplace, Forge, SuperRare, OpenSea, and ProtonMaint. And these are some of the most popular ones. Details are provided in the links below. You can check for more websites and the steps in order to get started with this crypto markets. How does the world see NFTs assets and what implications does this have? NFTs are becoming increasingly popular for all types of games. They are a limited supply token that are tradable, fungible, and divisible. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. One NFT is not equal to another, since the rarity defines the value of each token. What this means is that there is no guarantee that one NFT will fetch the same price as another. This also implies that can be traded in an open market like any other asset. However, it should be noted that most people don't trade them because their prices fluctuate too much. How to use NFT? There are many different ways to use these assets, such as collectible or game items. To get details about the top 10 NFT games to earn crypto money, check the links below. So the best way to understand how to use them is by looking at some examples. For example, a player creates his own item using the ERC-721 standard. He then transfers ownership of the item to someone else through a smart contract. Once he does so, he receives tokens for doing so, and those tokens represent the value of the item on the blockchain. In short, it is evident that there are many ways to make money with NFTs. However, a beginner should start by learning about the different types of NFTs and how they can be used to create value. Then the beginner should experiment with different methods of monetization to find what works best for them. In order to keep this tutorial short, we decided to just give you a general idea about what NFTs are and how to earn money. To get full details about all the links mentioned and the steps in order to start marketing and minting your NFTs and your artworks, you can check the links below. See you there.